Hello, welcome back once again. In this video, I'm going to create a quick head-to-head comparison review between these two game booster platforms, which is GearUP Booster and GearUP Booster. So let's really dive into it. But before that, let's know that this video is based on collective data. So let's quickly dive into it. Talking about GearUP Booster help gamers cut down lags and stabilize ping with quick one-click optimization. It's simple to use and support popular titles like Valorant and PUBG, which make it ideal for players who want smoother gameplay without technical hassle. However, some users report mixed results depending on their location, and others mention unclear subscription charges. Talking about the GearUP Booster, on the other hand, focus mainly on more mobile gaming and offer a solid lag reduction for Android users. It's affordable and effective in certain regions, but performance can be inconsistent and support is limited. Overall, GearUP Boosters feel more reliable for PC gamers, while GearUP Boosters suits mobile players looking for a quick boost. And that's it. I'll find the video helpful. Turn on the notification button and subscribe for more review.